is up, folks? Welcome back to Valvetronic Designs. This is a Porsche 992. It's a Carrera T specification. Could it be the best sounding Porsche 992 that has a turbocharged engine? We think so. This car has got some free flow bypass pipes, and it has our Valvetronic titanium valved rear section replacing the factory Porsche sports exhaust muffler. This is the ultimate way to enjoy the 3-liter flat 6 twin turbocharged experience. Let's get to this sound. Alright folks, we're back in the 992 now. We've got some free flow bypass pipes on the car. And it is way more enticing now with the free flow bypasses installed. It really helps accentuate that kind of 911 GT3 more exotic sound characteristic that the titanium system helps draw out. Because we've got a little bit more volume now, way better than the stock Porsche sports exhaust with the free flow pipe. This full titanium system really wakes it up. The best part is, put ourselves back in normal mode, and the car goes back to being like its bone stock. Even with the free flow configuration installed, the car is still super quiet, so you can still enjoy it. But let's crank it up. Listen to the spool. It's crazy. Get some nice overrun. Got some buildings around us. Let's hear the first sound test with the windows down. Car really has that nice 917 type sound. It's really way more engaging than it was before. This is the experience we like to offer. It is important to note, viewers, this car is bone stock. No other modifications besides the free flow bypass pipes and this wonderful titanium valved rear section. So you want to have your heavily modified, tuned 992 Turbo or Turbo S put down some more power and really crank up the sound with no compromise, this is the setup. Or if you got a bone stock Carrera T like this, 7-speed manual, this is still the best exhaust choice on the market. Huge flexibility and the best sound.